guys. Hi. Hola. Bonjour. Wagwan. Konnichiwa. If it's your first time here on my channel, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please remember to share, like, and comment as well. So this week, this is my eyeliner. I'll be talking to you guys about my lashes. Yep. But I don't have none. Look, is it? Goody has none. But anyways, I always want to look blindocious when I go out, when I do decide to dress up, you know, 1 or 2 times there. So I like lashes, but I could never ever put them on. So I discovered this wonderful thing called magnetic eyelashes. Yup. It is to die for. It is the best thing since sliced bread. Best thing since sliced bread. So this is a video of how I apply my magnetic eyelashes. Before I go any further, this is the lashes that I wear. It's Estee Naturals magnetic lashes. They are available on Amazon. Oh, hold on, let me show you what's inside. So the one that I bought first was the one that comes with 2 pairs, right? So this was like for like $17 thereabout for the 2 pairs, and it comes with the eyeliner to apply the lashes, and it comes with the little something where you use and squeeze the lashes. Them, yeah, they come with that, but it is somewhere upstairs. So this one, the new one that I haven't worn any of these as yet. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lashes, 5 pairs of lashes. Comes with the own eyeliner to put on the lashes, and it comes with a little, you might have a little something there. So you know it's a full kit. But not to lie, me love that one also. This, it look like a, you know, look a diva, look a something. And trust me, they are very durable. Very durable. I like them. So I'm gonna apply the old ones that I have for you guys, for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah. So this is what the inside of this one looks like. This is the this one is a little bit thinner, and then this is a little bit fuller. I think I wore this one mostly than the other one because it's fuller and no one got me out. Yeah. So before we go no further, we're gonna take this, right? This is the liquid liner, people. Is magnetic. So when you put this, this has like, this is like the adhesive per se. So yeah, that be so nervous, man. So yeah, take off the excess, put that down there, so, and yeah, just make it look cool. Like I put on your liquid eyeliner, close my eye, and you put it over here, so. Yeah, cause something. I'm not so nervous. Yeah, anyways, yeah. That basically. And let it dry a little. Not too much. I'm gonna use the little thin one. And you take it off, like, yeah. Oh crap, that one is broken. Shoot. Yeah, I cannot yank it too hard. But it is. So this is my favorite one, as I said before. And yep. I never used something before and put it on. I just use my finger. Can't butter up something. So yeah. yeah, I don't feel like something awful, but yeah, this is the first one. The first time I put on this, maybe I have little struggles. Recently, I never read the manual. Me just put on them, so like bloop bloops. And call it a day. Yeah. And then I did same thing over here, so. My nervous man, my nervous bad. Me's making a mess. People ignore the mess. Typical that I don't normally have anything in my hand, so yeah. So same thing as the other one, make it dry a little bit. No, I'm so nervous today, but anyways, yeah. And you know, so everybody ban for put on makeup though, and everybody ban for apply makeup. They feel like a handicap. Bumba, all on the people, all on the. Yeah. Anyways. So it just snap on. Like once it reach pan oh god. Once it reach pan the adhesive, it just snap on. Simple like that. Like yeah. It does snap on, you know, so I do oh god. This one come out some more. Yeah. So it does simple snap right on. Yeah, people. So it takes me, like I said, less than 3 minutes to put on my lashes and make it better. And I know this and know, you know, so if it wear off or whatever, you can always use the kids with you. Apply this. Go look a black something today. Just one couple seconds and just put on the lashes and call it a day. It's my favorite go-to lashes. Like look at people. Look. Even if you follow my Instagram, you see like whenever I do dress up, like 2 Saturdays ago, that black shirt and that I was wearing this pair, and then on my birthday I was wearing this. When what? Yeah, like since July I start wearing magnetic lashes, and trust me, people, when I say they are the best thing since sliced bread, they are. Like seriously, they are. Ignore the mess and yeah, but yeah. Okay, people, this is the blink test. Blink. Watching. Hey. Yeah. Pose. Okay. Yeah.